Hello G, this is Ashwani and welcome back to the another video. First of all, if you are liking this series of interview question, just let me know in a comment section and hit the like button. In this video, we are covering a question most frequent word in given array of string. Okay, and this video we will be discussing all the methods which we can cover with the help of this question. Okay, and two methods we will be explaining in this video, but first one is general one and another one which we can use in our interview specific for the interview. Okay, so let's see what the question is says. Question is very simple. You can expect this question in an interview. Either you have like fresher 0 year of experience, या फिर 2 year of experience, 3 year of experience, any. Okay, so let's understand the question. Like this is a array of a string. Okay, and this question can also be like someone give you the string, you can directly split that with the help of your regression, that is a space. Okay, so you can convert that string into the array of a string. So now you having this array of a string, you have to find out the most frequent word, and in this string the most frequent word is root. As you can see, root and again root, it's occurring for 3 times. So what is the general method if your interviewer asks you to solve this question without any mentioning time complexity and space complexity? He doesn't care about your time complexity, just care about your answer. So directly go with this method. It says, okay, you are having this two loop and you are iterating at 2 times, so it will be having a complexity of order of n square. So we will not talk about this one, this is a very basic one. Okay, but we will talk about in this, you can solve this. Let me write here, you can solve this with the help of first is hashing. Okay, first you're hashing, and second one you can solve this with the tree node. Okay, with the help of tree, because it is having some like inbuilt property which can help you to understand, which can help you to compute this question. Okay, we will see how we can solve with the hashing. So let me make the first method, second method here, public static, and we will say void, and here most frequent word. Okay, and not frequent word. Okay, and it is string and arr, and I will say here, okay, just give me something string. Okay, now came here again. Now you can check here, very first line, just I need one hash map because we are using a hashing. And here you need to make a focus here, like you need a string to, as in key value pair, you need to store a string, and I want my integer, not incompatible, I want my integer class. Why you are making like this integer? Okay, and map, and you can say new hash map. Okay, perfect. Here why we are taking a string, because I want to store this value here, and in respect of that value I want to store my this integer values. Okay, so I will let you know each and everything, just bear with me. Okay, now just take one loop, integer I equals to 0 and I less than, you are having your array, right? And we in array we are having one method, that is length, one keyword, not method, I plus plus. Okay, now I plus 1, simple. You can do this thing with ternary operator also, but I will do this in a if else, because I want to make you explain, and with if else things become very simple. Okay, so now map dot contain key, and what is your key is arr of I. Okay, if this is true, what you need to do, map dot put. Okay, and what you need to do, map dot put arr of I. Okay, and in place of it, what you need to do, map dot get arr of I. Okay, and plus 1, you need to plus whatever the value you will get. Okay, I will let you know, just bear with me. And here map, just what you want to do, just copy this and paste it here, and in place of this just remove this one. Okay, your approach is very simple. Now I will traverse it in another loop. Okay, but just let me make you explain what I'm doing here. If you are having already, if you are having this key, this like root, just take out that value. Okay, plus and plus 1 8 here. So whenever you are just coming to this root value, you will be increasing your key value. Okay, that this is your key. string, and this is your value. So you are increasing by 1 your value when you are just came to the root value. Okay, now let me take for each loop here, and what we will do here, map dot entry set and map dot entry, and that will be string and integer. Okay, and here I will be say map 1 or map 2, map 1. Okay, map dot get entry set. Okay, I just taking a entries, and here if your any entry, just like you can say that I want to traverse all the entry, I'm just making one condition check here. This is not necessary. Okay, get value greater than 0. All the value will be greater than 0 only, but if you want to remove it, it's not compulsory here, you can remove it. I just want to, there is a lot of way of traversing this hash map. You can do by this string also, sorry, string also. Okay, so s out, and you can say map 1 dot get key, and here I will write a message here. Okay, just a second. Key. Okay, and here I will say a value. Just a second. Value. Okay, like this, and you will say what is your value is, that is map 1 dot get value. So now you will execute it. So let me copy this method name and let me comment the first one. Okay, and I will paste here most frequent word, and I will pass a array. Now let me run the code and check the output. So I am expecting that root value will be 3. Okay, because it's occurring at a 3 time. So as you can check, key is root and value will be 3. Okay, and let me check for for. So key value for it's 4 and is occurring at a 1 time only. So 1 time. So this is the hashing. Okay, so this is a way we can use in just compute this question. If your interviewer doesn't want your this order of n, right, because we are doing with the traversing, this is n plus n, so we can say 2n, but in complexity we just neglecting whatever the integer value we are having, so that's why we are considering it n. Okay, so if your interviewer say you have to solve with the order of n, and if your interviewer doesn't want to make a complexity, just want to compute the answer, then it should be n square, right? So you can solve with the help of this tool. I hope you learned this something new from this video. If you like this all this interview series, just hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with some other question. Take care. Bye bye.